In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Airtable account. We'll walk through the entire sign-up process together, step by step. So by the end of this video, you'll be fully set up and ready to start using Airtable. First, open your web browser and go to airtable.com. You can type the address directly into the address bar at the top of your browser and hit enter. This will take you to the Airtable homepage, where you'll see an overview of the product and some examples of how it's used. On the homepage, look for the button that says Sign Up for Free. This is usually located at the top right of the page or prominently in the main section. Click on Sign Up for Free to start creating your new account. Airtable offers a free plan, which is perfect if you're just getting started or testing it out. Next, you'll be taken to the Sign Up screen. Here, you'll see a field where you can type your email address, along with options to continue with Google or other providers. Go ahead and type in your work email or any email you want to use for this account. If you prefer, you can choose to continue with Google instead, which will link Airtable to your Google account and skip creating a separate password. If you're using your email, once you've entered it carefully, click on the button that says Continue with Email. Make sure you've spelled your email correctly, because this is where account notifications and verification messages will be sent. After that, Airtable will ask for a few more details. You'll see a field where you can type in your full name. Enter your first and last name the way you'd like it to appear in your Airtable workspace. This helps identify you to collaborators later on. Below your name, you'll see a space to create a password. Choose a strong, unique password that you don't use on other sites. A good password typically includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Type your password carefully, and if there's an option to show it while you type, you can use that to double check. Once your name and password are filled in, click on the Sign Up button. Airtable will now create your account and log you in for the first time. At this point, your account is created, and you'll be guided through a simple onboarding process. This usually takes no more than a couple of minutes. You might be asked a few quick questions about how you plan to use Airtable, such as whether it's for personal projects, business, or a team, and what kind of work you do. Just answer these briefly. They help Airtable suggest templates and setups that match your needs. When you finish onboarding, you'll land in your new Airtable workspace. From here, you can start exploring templates, creating your first base, and organizing your information exactly the way you want. And that's all it takes to create an Airtable account from scratch.